to do a quick build breakdown on the 69 Chevelle that we just finished up for our customer Rick Ziegler. The car is something that he had when he was in college. Definitely a product of the 80s. This car used to be white with that funky 80s blue zigzag down the side. When it came to us, it was in really, really rough shape, super rusty all the way through. So we ended up rebodying this car with a shell out of California. Nice, super clean project that somebody else had started. Even his frame was rotten, so it got another frame underneath it. That's not wearing his original frame either. Give you a rough breakdown on what all he's got. The engine was built by Don's Automotive up in Kenosha. It's his 396 big block that's in here, punched out 60 over, putting out a little over 500 horse. It has quick fuel carb on it and all the nice MSD goodies. And we did painless wiring in the thing all throughout. Outfitted the car with power steering, power brake, power lock, power windows, which just some nice creature comforts. And then got all decoded gauges in here. Their analog gauges are beautiful, really light up, really nice, easy to read, much better than the originals that were all dim and not very accurate. As far as underneath the car, backing up to that big block engine is a nice Tremec 5-speed that helps move this down the road. It's got an American Powertrain 12-bolt posi in it with 373 gears, got Wellwood disc brakes on it all the way around, and some nice Hotchkis suspension front and rear. It's got their tubular control arms and nice 4-link set in the back, along with QA1 adjustables all the way around to kind of wrap things up and give it a nice ride. All new interior. The interior was done at Casson Customs up in Woodstock, Illinois. Had a little bit of a hard time getting material, kind of like everything else lately in this world. So we eventually got everything we needed to finish the interior on the thing. But the rest of the outside of the car is pretty stock. We obviously gapped it, so it gapped much better than an original 69 Chevelle. So that is your quick recap on the build on this car. Many thanks to everybody that's helped us on this. The Glass Guy Chicago did all the glass work in this thing. So there you go. Thanks everybody for watching.